welcome into my home. Hi everyone, my name is Emelia Richter and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a house tour, MTV Cribs. This is actually the model home of the house that we are currently building. So we want to take you inside and get a tour. Let's go. We are currently building this particular model from our builder. This is a semi-custom home. And while we go through it, you guys will understand what a semi-custom home is. We will take you guys to the actual building next week. So stay tuned for that. Let's start off this tour here. So right off the bat, we are in the foyer, and the first thing I love about this home, and one thing that I fell in love with when it comes to this home, is the amount of space, you know? So we're in the hallway, and I can't touch either side of the walls. I love that. So here, this is just a foyer. In here, we have the coat closet. And you go into here and you have dining room, a formal dining room. And I love this. It's, you know, definitely traditional. I do love window accents that the home does come with. Now we're moving into the kitchen, the living, the morning area. I love this area so much, and I think this is one of the reasons why I fell in love with the home. There's a lot of reasons, but this is one of the reasons why I fell in love with this home. So starting off with the kitchen, basically our kitchen looks exactly like this, just a little custom details. Little details are a little bit different. So we have black cabinets instead of white. We got white quartz instead of black. I wanted to do black appliances instead of stainless steel, but we will talk about that in next week's video. So this is the semi-customness of building. This all is extra. All this is not included into building this house. Okay, for example, the actual house comes with a stove that you push in, a microwave up top, and it does not come with this. We were able to purchase this through the builder, which is extra. So when it comes to semi-custom homes, they give you a bunch of options of things that you can choose from. So the house as plain and as original as it is, and then they give you options of things that you can choose from, and these are some of the changes and things that we chose. So if you go with whatever the house looks like, you stay at base price, but the more changes you make, the more your mortgage goes up or the price of the home goes up. We did get this wall combo here, but this is a double oven. I do not bake or cook that much, so I got a microwave and an oven instead. So this up here is going to be a nice, beautiful range hood instead of a microwave and a cooktop. So we do have this cooktop here. That's what we did get in our house. The original layout or the original features of the house does not come with a cooktop like this. This is extra. So this is a farm style house. And I love the little farm style details that go in, you know, throughout the house. I love this pantry. I don't know, it looks very farm style, doesn't it? But this is the pantry. Just little details such as the sink does not come with the property. Like, this doesn't come with the property. This is extra. The sink is extra. And yeah, it does not come with the original layout. We're moving on into the, what do I call this? the breakfast nook or the breakfast area. I love this space here, and I'm really looking forward to, like, the kitchen is all rectangular and squares and everything in there, and I'm looking forward to like a rounded table, either completely circular or like a rectangular table that the ends are rounded. I'm definitely looking forward to decorating this place, and this is one of the areas I'm super excited to decorate. I have so many ideas for it just because I feel like this space brings together everything. You know, when you get an open concept, it can easily look like everything is sitting in one room, like your kitchen and your living room and everything else is just in one room. I love to decorate, so I'd love to show that if you use patterns and shapes and things like that, you can break up the room, where even though it's all in technically one room, you can still break it up to look like individual schemes. And that's what I'm looking forward to doing. Okay, so now we are in one of my favorite rooms, and this is the morning room. In the original layout of the house actually ends here. This part, the morning room, is not included. You have to pay to add on. This was so expensive. This little additive that literally you can't put anything here but like a chair and a little bookcase was so expensive. I brought my mom here and I'm like, I need you to talk me out of it. And she's like, the house is not the house without this. So I got it. I'm so in love with this area. I'm so excited to decorate this area. I'm so excited to see what it's going to come out and look like. I have so many ideas, and to be honest, it might look a little similar to this because I mean there's only so much that you could do, but I'm so excited to have like a little area where you can either unwind at the end of the day or chill out before you start your day. You know, you don't always have to have breakfast at the table. Just a little cup of coffee and an iPad over here just to chill. And I plan to have like a bunch of plants here and have a little green room here, just an oasis away from everything, and that's what I'm excited about this spot for. So now we are in the living room. Pretty basic, nothing to really like exclaim about. I will point out that we did not get a fireplace, and we're planning to install an electric fireplace here. The fireplace was extra. That is something else that, you know, doesn't come with the original layout, that you get to pick and choose as you go. But yeah, this is the living room. Okay, so now we are in my office. I am so excited for this space and to kind of make it what I want it to be and whatnot. I want to get a new desk, a bigger desk. I want to put a bookshelf up here. I'm so excited for this space here. I want to change these doors out. These are the doors that do come with the room. But I want to change it out for like the glass French doors because I think that would be really chic and cute. But yeah, this is my office. Moving on through the hallway, we have the powder room off to the left. Off the garage, we have the mud room. I'm super excited for this area, even though we don't have any children. It's so easy to put your own purse or shoes or anything, coats and whatever in here, grab it and go. And this is just more closet space. There's a lot of space in this house and I love it. Now we're gonna go upstairs. I do want to mention that I didn't get any carpet in my house. No carpet allowed. There's no carpet anywhere. I hate carpet. I do not like carpet. Hate is a very strong word. I despise, I don't like, I dislike carpet. But going upstairs, I'm super excited to show you guys. But I want to tell you guys off the bat, something as small as railing was extra. The original layout of this house is drywall. So they would have drywall, but it'll be this short coming down. That's ugly. So we got this custom railing, which is extra. Welcome to the loft space. I'm super excited for this loft space. This is going to be like our movie room, our sitting area. We're gonna have a projector up here, have a huge black cloud couch here. I think it's just a good little sitting room away from the sitting room downstairs, you know, a different area to gather. This here is our primary bedroom, and I'm super excited for it. It's a little smaller for my taste, to be honest. I think this is the one absolute thing that I did not like about this house was how small the primary bedroom was, but we'll make do. One of the things that I can tell you that was customized or whatever in here is that this room has tray ceilings. We did not purchase tray ceilings. So I'm curious to see what that is going to look like. This is our bathroom. I love this bathroom so much, but you know, again, with semi-custom, we got to customize what the bathroom looks like. We were playing Jane's, so everything is white. Everything is white. This tiling here right now is currently way too busy for me, but the bathroom did come standard with a tub, a stand-up shower, toilet closet, and it does have a closet right off the bathroom. In here, this is our guest bedroom, the biggest guest bedroom. It does have its own bathroom, ensuite here. Pretty decent size here. This is what my mom calls her room. She doesn't know that she will be banned from this house, so that's awkward that she thinks this is her room, even though she is not on the list. But yeah, it's the biggest bedroom outside of the primary bedroom that we have. Nothing really to, you know, report. So this is actually a bedroom that is going to be converted into my closet. I wanted to use the biggest bedroom outside of the primary bedroom and convert it into my closet, but the biggest bedroom has a bathroom, which wouldn't make sense instead of making it a guest bedroom. So I was stuck with this one. It's pretty small. I don't know if my closet is gonna fit in here. So next week, I'm going to go over building a semi-custom home, buying a home, a new home, blah, 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 whatever. So leave your comments or questions. I am so excited for you guys to see it. I'm so excited to decorate it. I will go through the process of buying a semi-custom home, building a semi-custom home, whatever. So if you guys have any questions about that or regarding the process, leave them down below and it will be in next week's video. I'm so excited. So yeah, let's go. I'll see you guys next week. Cameraman, let's go. Oh, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next week. Bye.